Today we are unboxing the charging line cable. This is a 4-in-1 USB-C cable by mFish, and it supports up to 240 watts of charging power. So it comes in this very nice looking gray hard shell case, and when you open the zipper you can reveal what's inside. And this one comes in a purple cable with the golden connectors. Now the silicone cover makes it very flexible, and as you can see, it also comes with a tie that makes it very convenient to store away. Now again, a very nice look at the golden connectors, and you can see that the USB-A transforms into a USB-C connector, making it very flexible, and yeah, it looks really nice. Now taking a look at the other side, we see that it's a lightning connector, and again it also transforms into a USB-C connector. So pretty much you can have two USB-C connectors, and USB-C to lightning, USB-C to USB-A, and lightning to USB-A. So 4-in-1 cable. It is very long, it is 10 feet long, and again, when you want to store it away, you just tuck it in, use the included cable tie, and then you can put it back into the hard shell case.